Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening the App Store and tapping your profile icon. This immediately exposes account controls. Once there, tap Subscriptions to view all recurring charges and locate Apple Arcade. Make sure the Apple ID displayed is the one used to subscribe. This avoids canceling the wrong account. If you signed in with family sharing, check the organizer's account. Now that you see the arcade entry, get ready to access its details so you can choose the cancel option in the next step. Locate Apple Arcade in the subscriptions list and tap it to open the plan details. This shows billing cycle, next charge date, and trial status. Tap Cancel Subscription or Cancel Free Trial and follow the on-screen confirmation prompts. You may need to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your password. Once you confirm, the subscription state changes to expire at period end. Make sure you note that expiry date so you retain access until that time and avoid unexpected charges. After canceling, verify by checking the subscription status in the App Store and look for confirmation email. This proves the action completed. If the arcade entry still shows active or you don't receive email, sign out of your Apple ID, restart the device, and sign back in to refresh account data. If issues persist, contact Apple support and provide the invoice or account details. They can reconcile billing and finalize the cancellation. This step ensures you won't be billed unexpectedly after taking action.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.